Good morning. I'm just super excited to tell everybody that the Collision Collective is now live. Thank you to everyone that filled out an early registration form, expressed interest. It helped, it allowed Emmanuel to be able to go and meet with a lot of suppliers, manufacturers, a lot of different companies, and start to build this momentum of a buyers group, a powerful buyers group dedicated to independent collision repair, whether that's dealership, body shop. There's no requirements, there's no limitations. Your shop can be small, your shop can be big. And me, and Emmanuel, Scott's had to step aside for a minute. We're going to get him back soon, but we really wanted to put something together right now just to help shops get money. So, if you are an early adopter, if you filled out the registration package, you're going to get an email that says you now have the ability to actually opt in. If you have not filled out one of the early registration packets, it's not too late. If you want to participate, you can. You can go to the Collision Collective website, or you can simply just send an email to info@collisioncollective.com. And Emmanuel, the team will be happy to get with you and explain what's going on. So now I want to explain to you really specifically what's going to work. I don't like things that don't drive value. And I don't like shops being locked into long-term commitments, especially when that value or the perceived value is unknown. So here's what the collective is doing. Once you opt in, you're going to start sharing with the team at the Collision Collective your purchasing history, what you're buying, how much you're buying, what products, what those are. And they're going to start filling out like spreadsheets and telling you exactly what they could save you or could get you back in a rebate. Now, they're going to do that for 2 months at no cost to you. And so you're going to get to see 2 months of here's what you would have made or saved by being a member of the collective. At the end of that 2 months, you can opt right back out again. If it's not giving you enough value, maybe you're one of the shops that really does good negotiating your own discounts on products, etc. So if there's no value to this program, we don't want your money and we don't want to take any more from you because right now you just don't have any more to give. But you're going to get 2 months worth of data. In that data, we may also show you other products that maybe you didn't know existed or had never considered before that might offer you more value. So we're going to show you product lines. There's so many products out on the market that I think get lost by the bigger brand names that swallow up the paid advertisement. They take the big space at the trade shows, etc. But we're going to try to elevate some of those smaller American-made brands to give you options. Obviously, buy what you want, use what you want. But if you don't know that there's another option out there, we'd like to show it to you. And then this is where you probably want to lean in and maybe hit record. So if you haven't done that and you want to record it, because I'm actually going to say something positive about Sherwin-Williams. And I don't think I've done that in a couple of years. The object of this program was not that it would be a Collision Hub product or company. We have a job to do. That job isn't this. And we want as many manufacturers to come to the table as possible to maximize the discounts. I'm not going to stand in the way of a discount for a shop. Our like disagreement has been pretty public, but even Sherwin-Williams came to the table and said, "Hey, this isn't about anything other than helping small independent body shops, and that's what we want to do." So I'm going to give them a shout out and a kudos and a thank you. More and more, it's just about putting shops first. What do they need? And right now, everybody needs a little financial help. So I'm super excited about the collective. Go to collisioncollective.com. Hit the buttons, fill out the forms. If you filled out the early registration form, you're going to get a direct email that's got everything in it that you can just go ahead. Emmanuel and the team will get with you. We'll start getting your data. That way we can get you real numbers, not guesstimates on what we think we can save you or make you, but real numbers based on what you're currently spending. And then if you don't like it, well, you're out and it didn't cost you anything. You're not wasting any time and money at that point. But if it can save you money, then you can opt in. And we know this program is going to continue to grow. We have equipment manufacturers. We have coaching people. That we have IAs that want to give discounts to collective members on RTAs and ACVs and DV claims. I mean, like we just really feel like there's a whole lot of people coming together and know that the heart of this industry, or really this industry in its entirety, does not survive unless the independent collision repair survives. And so we look forward to showing you this, and we hope that it is useful to you. We hope that bottom line, it just saves you money. There's no 20 groups. There's no extra additives to this collective or this buyers group. It's just purely about collecting shops and allowing them to use themselves to get the maximum discounts that other people in this industry have gotten for years. So hit the website. Any other extra questions? Feel free to email Melanie. We will do all we can to help you understand and make an informed decision on whether you want to participate in the 2-month free trial. And that's it. It's free. If you don't like it, you're out. If you like it, you're in. See you guys later. Have a fantastic weekend. Have a really good Easter weekend. I hope that a lot of you get to spend that with your family, doing the things that you love and spending the time with the people you love. Thanks, everybody. Bye.